Extrema, the ultimate tabletop collection. Manufactured with the extreme in mind. Extrema isn't just a tabletop, it's the next generation of tabletop. Available in a wide range of contemporary, sleek shapes, sizes and styles, Extrema can be used in both outdoor and indoor settings and requires little to no maintenance. Extrema can withstand even the most adverse weather conditions, from rain to snow or bright sunshine. Extrema will not fade, mold, rot or warp. Your customers want a clean, hygienic environment in which to enjoy their food and drink. Extrema is stain resistant and extremely easy to maintain. They can be cleaned quickly and easily by simply wiping with warm water. It's only natural that over time, most tabletops will get damaged. Extrema has a scratch-resistant surface that means your tabletop will not age and will survive even the worst of impacts, leaving no marks, dents or scratches. Your Extrema tabletop is designed to fit almost every table base. Whatever your contract environment throws at it, you can rest assured your Extrema tabletop will stay looking as good as new. The Extrema collection is environmentally friendly and heat-resistant. Extrema tabletops, manufactured with the extreme in mind.